quite in demand because Alberta have the lowest tax rate.
2026 Multi Destination Fair ကကမ္ဘာထိပ်တန်းတက္ကသိုလ်တွေနဲ့အဖွဲ့အစည်းတွေနဲ့ officer တွေနဲ့တွေ့ခဲ့တဲ့အတွေ့အကြုံတွေအရေးကြီးဆုံးဖြစ်တဲ့ information တွေ scholarship ရှာနေတဲ့လူတွေအတွက် opportunity တွေဒါတွေအားလုံးကိုတနေရာတဲ့တစ်ချိန်ထဲမှာတွေ့ရတဲ့ဘွဲအတွေ့အကြုံတွေကိုမျှဝေပေးထားတာဖြစ်ပါတယ်
And also some provinces have a very special program. For example, Nova Scotia. Nova Scotia they have a so if one student study here for 2 years for the high school program, like for example grade 11 and grade 12, and the tuition rate here is 10,000 if they finish their grade 11 and grade 12 here, and they going after that they go to the university in Nova Scotia. Like for example, public university like Dalhousie University, Capitan University, San Francisco Xavier University, they will have the tuition rate of the Canadian students. So instead of paying like 30,000 Canadian dollar a year for international students, they only pay 10,000 a year. So kind of similar to the local student. So that can be the in-state tuition, kind of similar to the Texas in the US as well. So that could be Nova Scotia. For Alberta currently is quite in demand because Alberta have the lowest tax rate in Canada. For example, in British Columbia that have Vancouver, tax rate here is 12%. Ontario with Toronto is 13%. This area, the Atlantic province, 10%. Alberta only 5%.
Only 5%.
Yeah, so they have the lowest tax rate here, so that's why they have the most affordable living expense here as well.
အခုလိုမျိုး update ဖြစ်နေတဲ့ international university တွေ top university တွေ information တွေ unique ဖြစ်တဲ့ program တွေအကြောင်းကိုလက်မလွတ်ချင်ဘူးဆိုလို့ရှိရင်လည်းကျွန်တော်တို့ YouTube channel ကို subscribe လုပ် notification on ထားရုံနဲ့အပတ်စဉ်ကျွန်တော်တို့ information update တွေသိရသွားမှာဖြစ်ပါတယ်